Hello, I'm Sophia, and today I will be presenting my podcast, Mind Maze, which explores the wonders of the brain through fascinating neuroscience topics. I've always been curious about the science behind everyday experiences like deja vu and dreaming. Mind Maze dives into these topics for anyone curious about the human mind. There already are successful podcasts on this topic, like Hidden Brain, which was named one of Mashable's top 20 podcasts and has a rating of 9.1 out of 10 on IMDb. So a podcast like this will definitely gather a wide audience. Each episode will feature experts like neuroscientists and psychologists who offer scientific insights. The first season will be structured around how the brain constructs reality, building up to the final question of what this means for consciousness and self-awareness. With each episode building on the last, the season reflects Dean Nelson's idea in Talk to Me, page 123, that, quote, good conversations usually have a focus, end quote. The first episode will dive into deja vu and what it reveals about memory. I'll talk with Dr. Akira O'Connor, a cognitive psychologist, about how our brains process memories. This episode introduces the season's central theme of how our brains create reality. In the second episode, we will explore the topic of dreams and interview sleep expert Dr. Matthew Walker. Here, we'll discuss how sleep and dreaming reflect our emotions and memories, paving the way for the final episode on how our minds construct reality and identity. The final episode will look at consciousness and self-awareness. I'll talk with Dr. Neil Seff, an expert in consciousness research, about how the brain constructs reality and awareness. This episode will build on earlier ones and conclude the season by exploring the central theme of how our minds shape our perception and sense of self.